Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far today. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, 2019, which means it is time to find out who won our giveaway we had last Friday. It was our giveaway Friday number 7, and this was what was in the giveaway. 2 of these Karen cupcakes with cute little pom-poms on top, and that's what we're giving away. And we're going to check here real quick to see who our lucky winner is. Of course, I use the YouTube comment random picker, so if you commented on last week's video, you have a chance to win. Before we see who won, I have to remind you, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified when I upload new videos. And that's all I really had to say. So let's just find out who won these 2 Karen cupcakes. Get my phone here and let's see, here we go. We are going to go ahead and copy that URL. We're going to get the YouTube comments. And how many comments did we had? We had 463 comments this week. And now let's see who won. The winner is Kathy Pearson. My favorite thing to do in the fall is sitting out on the porch and crochet beautiful yarn. Good luck, everyone. So Kathy Pearson is our winner today. So congratulations, Kathy Pearson. You have until Tuesday, September 24th to contact me and let me know your shipping address. My email is thenervousknitter527@gmail.com. It'll also be in the description below this video. So that was our giveaway this week, and that is our winner, Kathy Pearson. So congratulations, and that's it, guys. So our next giveaway will be this Friday. So again, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload that giveaway video. And that's it. So again, congratulations, Kathy Pearson. Please email me before September 24th, 2019 so I can get this shipped out to you at the end of this month. Alright guys, so until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.